I wanted to show what I have found on this 2015 Honda Grom. This is my first oil change and getting the initial break-in oil out of it, and I almost did not remove this side cover and do this. Uh, I was pretty much just going to pull the oil drain plug, drain the oil, and put fresh oil in it. And I had seen on another YouTube video where someone had done this and had metal shavings. And so I went ahead and got a new gasket and thought I will go ahead and do this and do it right. And I am glad I did. And I strongly encourage anyone who purchases a Grom to go ahead and do this first oil change in this manner. This side cover over here, you use an 8mm socket. All of the bolts are the same. If you use a drill, a good strong drill and extension, you can get all of them off except for this one back here. Excuse me. Got allergies here. I've been mowing and got my sinuses all messed up. But anyway, I don't know if it'll show it in here or not. My camera doesn't have a built-in light, but there is metal shavings. Now this unit here, it spins and throws the heavier contaminants to the outside, so it's fine, you know, that dirt and contaminants are there, but I wanted you to see for a fact, yes, there is metal shavings in there. Also, under here, a little screen sits up in here. Oh, you stupid camera. Let's see if I can get this thing to work here. I'm sorry, my screen blacked out on me. I'm going to try to get this in the light here. There is metal shavings. Sorry, I had to look with my own eyes. Probably at least 24 chunks of metal shavings that's in this filter, so that needs to be flipped and sprayed out through the other way. Ooh, you can really see them on that side. Wow. Anyway, so definitely worth doing. Go ahead and pull this out. It's 10mm socket that takes those 3 bolts out. Be sure you use some blue Loctite, just a little drop on each one when you go to put these back on. And go ahead and get you a new cover gasket. And also, every time you change your oil drain bolt, there's an aluminum crush washer. They recommend you change that crush washer every time you take this drain plug out. And the gasket and the washer are super cheap. I can't remember exact. I think the washer's like $2. The gasket, I think, is about $6. So it's well worth doing. Now, you don't have to take this off every time you change the oil. I would probably say at least, definitely for sure, do it the very first time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do it again on my next oil change, just because of actually seeing how much contaminant is there. But you know, probably like every second or third oil change after that, I'll pull this off and clean it out good and go through it. It takes all of about, geez, I don't know, it was 1 minute, maybe a minute and a half. If I could have got to that bolt with a drill, it would have been all off just in a matter of seconds. But yeah, it's easy to do, and I would highly recommend anybody that owns a Grom to go through that process and do that.